and the 250/9 didn't in the last patch. And then I think the 250/9's got worse, like, moving performance. So
you have problems, we have answers. Pioneers will secure the location.
Yeah. Not as straightforward as it sounds.
Panzer pioneers standing by.
There's actually a few stats that are quite a lot different on its gun, which makes it quite a lot worse.
Scharfschützen deployed. Treat that flag like your mother hemmed it herself.
Orders, move up, Panzer pioneers.
I'm gonna try turbo
With me.
fuel here. That's why I'm just in the crowd shooting up on this kind of capping order. Get my medium fuel connected AFAP.
It's as good as ours.
I like ASAP.
Panzer pioneers
But
available.
it sounds ruder.
Resources are ours.
Location secured. Can we get back to work now?
Have problems, you can rely upon us.
Utility. We have capture duties.
Panzer pioneers securing resources. Ready on your word. What do you need?
We're receiving you. Sonderkraftfahrzeug 250 reporting.
Orders. Pioneers will secure the location. Light support right there. Where to?
250, standing by. Vehicle advancing on your coordinates. Go, get us there.
Didn't even see what this guy's playing. He's playing Brits.
Driver, back in your seat. Pull over, evading.
Don't contest me there at all, huh?
What do you need? Territory secured. All quiet.
You need a half track. Moving this haste. Hold tight.
Panzer pioneers have taken the location.
Just like the Nürburg thing, eh? Utility vehicle standing by. Light driver on the double.
So we go for an assault green now.
The unit has died in battle. Proximity alarm near our victory point.
Well, rip crowd shoots him.
Resources are ours. Taking enemy territory.
Victory point lost.
Felt to me like the crowd shooting took longer than usual to turn around there.
That location from the enemy.
Our gunners shall show the enemy the meaning of precision.
Maybe I'm crazy.
Armory upgrade underway.
Come out here. You have problems. Move up, Panzer.
The fuel point is being taken from us.
To your mark. Good job, we're patient men.
Enemy patrol.
Assault grenadiers here.
Proximity alarm near our fuel point.
Not anything for us.
Go, get us there.
What do you need? Grab your gear. We're heading out.
Standing by. The territory sector has been claimed by the enemy. Moving with haste.
Make it quick. I'll take the lead.
You wait, driver. Armory upgrade complete, Commandant. Infantry has our range. Fire back. Action! Vehicle moving. Full on fire from infantry. Fucking move this thing. Move, driver. Move. Those troopers are firing at us. What's it beat to them? We have to move!
Keep it moving! Fall on! Take cover! Repeat! Push up! Engage all contact! Assault is losing men!
Very good.
You need to get us in gear! Go! We have coordinates. Get us moving.
Location from the enemy.
Assault, secure that ground. Now.
Make it quick. Laying mines here.
Assault, get it up and running. We need to get there faster. Your
Commandant,
mothers
here
would
you
be
Help
proud
shift.
And load it. Out we go. Into the transport. One at a time. Repairs completed. Captured.
You have orders for
Ready
us?
to go again.
He's just waiting till his Humber arrives before he does anything.
Orders? It's as good as ours.
Light vehicle ready. We'll stop here.
Captured. Shall we fortify? Have problems? Pioneers will secure the location.
Auftrag support is ready to deploy. Panzerjäger reporting in.
Got a mine here I can back up to if the Humber shows up.
Ready on your word.
Captain driver, back in your seats.
Okay, it's planted.
Steady, trooper.
Pass word down the line.
Coordinates.
Tooled up and moving. Panzer Pioneer standing by.
We can do that.
Mine field completed. Now you can rely upon us.
Commandant, we hear you.
What do you need?
Under fire! Fucking infantry!
Commandant, it's ours. Keep touching the wall. It's only fucking close.
A munitions point is being taken from us! Get us the fuck out of here! We're eager to move!
Those are coming close.
Schwerer Panzersperrwagen on station! What do
Secure.
you want?
Resources are ours.
On! Fucking now!
Back doors.
Territory sector out of contact!
Eager to get moving.
Let's go find some trouble. It's as good as ours.
We're listening.
Get moving. Quick march.
Your mothers would be proud, boys.
Situation where I want the machine gun.
Enemy present. We can't stay here.
Chopped up right now, boys. He's getting absolutely cut down.
Commander, we need to get there faster.
What do you need?
Our fuel point is being neutralized by the enemy!
Got the extra firepower of the
An MG-34
machine gun
has
upgrade.
arrived.
Makes a huge difference there.
Panzer Pioneer's voice.
What the hell was that?
Ready on your word. Laying mines, taking enemy territory.
Might be going for a Stuart.
Eager to get started. Move, move. Panzer Pioneers have taken the location.
At once. We shall have additional forces available shortly. Understood, Commandant.
Panzer Pioneers standing by.
Driver, on the double, eh?
Piling sandbags.
moving with
As
haste.
ordered.
Hold tight.
What's the problem?
Vehicle advancing on your coordinates.
Let me guess. You want more sandbags?
On the double, eh? Go,
Right up here.
Stuck D assault guns and recovery vehicles are available for construction.
What do you need?
A victory point is being taken from us!
Leave to fight another day!
We have lost control of a victory point!
Location secure. Hold
Panzer Pioneers lost!
driver.
We have received the Stuck D!
I'm just crossing the line. Keep your distance. Holding the distance.
War effort needs us!
250, driver back in your seat!
Good job, we're patient men.
I'm wounded. Reverse.
Panzer, new coordinates.
Orders?
Follow me.
250. Standing by. Bravo. Reverse is out.
We're moving.
Clear.
Otto, back in your seat. Jawohl.
Taking that location from the enemy.
Engine mount ready. We have a heading. Let's move. Panzerjäger. Take those corners slowly. We don't want to draw track.
Can I crush this with my Strug D? Doesn't look like it.
Our victory point is
The
being
Strug D is such a
neutralized by the
chonker.
enemy.
Kind of feels like you should be able to or something, you know, but
Commander! Recon patrol! Get us
looks like
moving!
that's the case.
The enemy has taken a victory point.
Well, listen, anything exciting out there?
Turn this into a
Moving with haste. Hold tight.
Order, tear the
Full
road.
on fire from infantry! Enemy tank falling! Armada 3 has entered the field. Commandant, we have command points available to us. A mechanized combat group awaits deployment. We are losing grasp of a victory point!
That's a shame.
Enemy forces have captured a victory point. Standing by. Just like the new thing, eh?
Was this way.
You have orders for us? We can do that.
What do you need?
Standing by. Retrofit. We await orders.
I'm headed up and running.
Tank wins this war on our asses.
Panzerjäger, look lively. Move order. Driver, reverse. Fix
Give us some space. 2.5-ton utility truck has arrived.
Alright, here's detection.
Vehicle crews have been trained to recognize enemy vehicle silhouettes at great distances. Maschinengewehr-team have been killed. 3 command points are available. We have a battle group awaiting use. Territory lost!
Run! Come on, capturing point.
Water at some distance! Reverse! Territorio! One of our units has been slain! Marder tank destroyer knocked out! has been
Not
destroyed.
ideal, not ideal.
Panzerjäger, crossing the threshold.
We have command points that should be used.
Look, clear out.
Back us up.
A recovery vehicle. You guys know what's coming up next. We be recovering.
Panzers available to rout the
I think
enemy
my
from
goal
their home.
was to maybe have the command tank out by now. We're 15 minutes into the game. I still don't have the command points to get it, which is kind of
Better than nothing.
bad sign for this build, if I'm honest.
Motor half truck is ready. A recovery vehicle is reporting at HQ.
Enemy fire!
Territory lost.
Oh, he got it off just before.
MG-34 team killed in action.
We've done what we
Motor
can.
working on it.
Did he crush my Marder? Yeah, I think he crushed it. Right, I have to build another one.
Command Heinrich, raise the flag.
ready on your jump on that MG. Get it ready to fire. Panzer's crossing the line. Move it, Panzer. Leave it. He's dead.
Driver, reverse.
Get out of here. Run. We're falling back to base.
Commander, starting repairs on that side. Proximity alarm near our victory point.
Sturmgeschütz hier.
Victory point under enemy control.
Receiving orders.
Order tank destroyer standing by. We're losing grasp of a victory point.
Panzer on standby. My crew needs orders.
Victory point lost.
I will get it done. Combat control.
Back in your seat. Water half-truck is ready.
Eyes up. Weapons loaded. Let's
Alright.
go.
Commandant, the enemy holds all victory points. We are losing grasp of a fuel point.
Fire! Back! Back! Back up!
Shift fire on enemy cruiser.
Territory is now in enemy hands.
My man needs challenges, not fellows. That territory will be ours. Panzer, watch this command.
Full!
Your business.
What keep them at maximum range?
Mobilize them.
Back in your seat!
Capture drill. Go, go, go.
Following orders!
I've just seen my thing up there.
Our munitions point is being neutralized by the enemy.
The target, Commandant! Just like the new boat, eh? Fucking radio! Panzer is moving!
Would be nice. Make it quick.
We're here! Be ready!
Laying mines here. Grab them.
We're listening. Raising the point. Eager to get moving. Race you back. Orders waiting.
Need another marder.
Bombs incoming. Glory away. Keep firing. Don't get distracted.
We await orders. We are falling behind. We must push back.
Pioneer standing by. Taking that location from the enemy. Maschinengewehr. What do you need?
Alright, I'm set up, boys.
Medical vehicle in stop. Anything exciting out there? Waiting on you.
Oh, I could have salvaged this. I think I crushed a wreck over here.
Armada 3 has entered the field.
There's a wreck I could have salvaged, I think.
Jawohl. Walk this way. My crew needs orders.
I wonder if I go for vehicle capture at this stage.
What will it be?
Rollout of engine improvements is underway. Vehicles will be able to secure territory shortly.
Commandant, we hear you.
Orders. Those resources must be ours. Taking enemy territory.
Heavy Panzer! Concentrate fire on the turret! Heavy Panzer!
Engine improvements and territory capture for vehicles now enabled.
Down! Get down! Take it away! And get out here! Fighting out!
A victory point is being taken from
Oh,
us.
two of them.
The battle shifts in our favor. Command points up. Victory point under enemy control.
Oh my gosh, so laggy right now, boys. I think he's withdrawn all his stuff.
Ready.
Did he manage to repair that Matilda that fast?
We're moving into a combat patrol.
I need the recon tractor.
Weapon relocating.
Right now.
Machine and Gewehr crew ready.
Has to be a second one, right?
We have a heading. Let's move. Orders.
Need smoke as well. Go for smoke first.
Survival improvements and smoke canisters are being requested for our vehicles.
MG-34 on standby. Move through.
We're listening. Get this panzer rolling. Sturm expecting trouble. Ready. Waiting. Back. I want them knocked down. Shit. There's a fucking thing, panzer.
Survival packages for Panzer crews have arrived. Smoke canisters have been retrofitted.
Okay, he's getting absolutely pumped right now on these. These guys are feeding me vet.
Eager to get moving.
Do I go for the command tank for the rate of fire buff?
Command Panzer available. They shall lead our forces to glory.
We can fix that. Share the load. We have to
Engines,
move.
we're moving. Otto, I'm back in your seat.
Want anything for... Come on, men. New coordinates. Taking location.
Mike, we're moving. Otto,
Heavy
back in
punch
your
the target. Keep it right. Hold back. Get moving.
Panzer is moving. This driver, throttle up.
Our forces have the advantage. Maintain momentum. Our victory point is being neutralized by the enemy. The enemy has taken a victory point.
Eager to get started.
Engines, Hunter confirms. Waiting, we're moving. Into the action, I hope.
Okay, I need the recon tractor.
We're Panzerjäger advancing.
Kommandant!
Infantry has arrived! Fire back! The enemy is resilient. They currently have the advantage.
Pioniere receiving you. Don't retreat.
Can't believe that there's like barely any craters here. Defies my eyes.
254 artillery observer awaiting orders.
How can he see me from that far away? I'm not sure.
Move lively. Up into the act. Keep it moving. With haste. Back to back.
Can't see. There's some flames there. I can't see them.
We have surplus munitions to support the war effort.
We're moving to capture.
We have surplus munitions to support the war effort.
What do you need? Taking enemy territory.
I'm back in your seat. All over. Amazing. ready for orders.
So repair that first.
Under fire. Can't fucking wait. Utility vehicle here. Orders confirmed. We're receiving you. We have surplus munitions to support. We have taken the advantage.
Ready. Waiting on you.
Control 1, you're control 5 now.
Starting repairs.
We're moving. Archo,
Vehicles must maintain the pressure, no matter the cost.
Weapon crew.
We are losing grasp of a victory point.
Panzer ready. Driver, ahead full.
We have lost control of a victory point.
Anything exciting out there?
A Panzer IV command vehicle awaits assignment to the field.
Everything's hot. Stopping here.
Jawohl. Come on, returning to base.
Advance HE on that location. Second Panzer Pioneer confirmed.
Commandant, Hinrich, raise the flag.
Marder, yes sir. Panzer on standby.
The enemy has the advantage here.
Let's do something.
Initiated. Advance upon the enemy. We have lost the Stuck in action.
Heavy Panzer target.
Engine driver, throttle up reverse, driver.
Starting repairs under fire.
Now initiate repair. We're listening. Getting up and running.
Alright. Need one more martyr. Enough command points for this, and he's lost.
We have only 250 points remaining.
Marching orders, then sitting orders.
Coordinates received,
Are you
Commandant.
repairing this? I can repair, please.
We can fix that.
Repairs
Wait,
complete.
we have capture orders. A little
Panzer
paddle
Jäger,
to
fix what you can. Let's go. Find getting up and running.
Panzer on standby. Archo, left track.
Alright, these guys are Vet 1. They've got the speed boost now.
Repairs completed.
I think I heard him destroying the
Honor
Rex.
tank destroyer standing by.
Understood, Commandant.
I'll go for vehicle order repair next.
We're moving to
I
capture.
don't think I really need the tungsten that badly. I want extra health on my martyrs more than that.
My crew needs all. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have orders. Christoph, you have repairs completed.
Can't win this war
Panzer
on our
Jäger
back.
advancing.
Observing the bombard. We have coordinates. Driver, moving. Keep us out of their effective range. Driver, throttle up. We don't have one.
We have surplus munitions to support the... Crews have sufficient reserve for another Panzer Storm. On your command.
Utility vehicle.
Proximity alarm near our victory point. Enemy forces have captured the victory point. Confirmed. We have 5 command points available.
Are you fucking missed at that range, you piece of shit!
The water vehicle has been destroyed.
Wouldn't we have repair work? Get to it!
You have more territory to capture. Follow me,
And
crew.
better not be Australians out there.
Make it quick. Get moving. Quick march.
I am eyes on the target. They're marked.
Receiving orders. Jawohl. We must take that sector.
Stukas, clear the target.
Want anything for us? Territory captured. Do we hold?
Sturmgeschütz reporting in.
Utility vehicle standing by.
All grazing the point. Ready on your word. Move up, Panzer Pioneer. Stand by. Be ready. Maschinengewehr crew, ready.
Yes, we can fix that.
Grab the gun. Grab the gun.
Maschinengewehr team have been killed.
Grenade! Bail out!
Hunt driver. Ahead, full. Hush, driver.
We're receiving you. Start stripping that wreck.
Securing resources.
What will it be?
A victory point is being taken from us.
Fire! Maschinengewehr ahead! Fire!
Our victory point is being neutralized by the enemy.
Engine starting! Support! Driver, reverse. Give us some space.
Utility vehicle here. Munitions and fuel check on that wreck. Get to it.
Brace yourself. We're stopping. Wait. Turn the lights on. Want anyone behind us? You have orders? My crew.
Don't let that bastard turn his gun on us.
Fire! Under heavy fire!
Recon vehicle standing
Crew,
by.
heavy fire!
Closing the distance.
Concentrate fire on the target!
Our forces hold strong. The advantage is ours.
Bastian, water. We're installing repairs on that target. Reconnaissance vehicle ready.
We are losing grasp of a victory point.
What do I do? What do I do?
Achtung, crew.
Got so much manpower.
We have lost control
So
of
I
a
think go for
victory
this.
point.
I think I go for this because I'm
Lead us. Backing up.
getting myself in some trouble on repairs right now.
Driver. Slow. Hunter, ready.
Coordinate. Follow me.
Just need to wait for my next loiter.
Our
to build
victory
one more
point is
martyr.
being neutralized by the enemy.
You have problems?
Territory sector lost.
We have a heading. Let's move.
Victory point under enemy control.
We're heading out. That's okay.
We're moving. Ready to loiter on your mark. What will it be?
Utility arms and legs inside the vehicle.
Liege Panzerjäger advancing.
Recon vehicle standing by. Battery. Barrage 3206 by 2394.
Our forces are down to 200 points.
Welcome to the show.
Panzerjäger, waiting the word.
Stag has come! Back up! Reverse!
Want anything for us?
The enemy have claimed our sector.
Trojan reverse.
My crew needs orders.
We're engaged. Follow me.
Initiating loiter. Ready to strike. Eagle has its plane. Circling overhead.
is taking enemy fire.
Well, that didn't quite work. Everything of it has survived on 0 health.
Keep firing! Don't retreat! Back to base!
Must have been just like some awkward damage rolls from the plane. Not quite adding up to the kill.
Proximity alarm near our fuel point.
Christian, confirm heading. I'll get us there.
Armada 3 has entered the field.
Going as fast as we can.
Taking heavy losses!
A victory point is being taken from us.
Run! This isn't right! Hold back!
What do you need?
Enemy forces have captured a victory point.
Commander, don't wait for permission. Fucking drive!
Achtung, crew. Looks bumpy up ahead. Hold on.
Operation Save the Recovery Vehicle is a success.
Losing the lead.
Coordinates.
Good job, we're patient men.
Enemy forces hold all victory points, Commandant.
Jäger awaiting the word. Taking location.
Here.
My crew left this panzer rolling. We're not expecting trouble, right? We're stopping. Orders! Crew!
No one's asking you to climb the wall.
Utility vehicle is standing
We're
by.
listening. Capturing point.
We're receiving you. I know the engine's on.
We're moving.
Our vehicle depot has been spotted by enemy forces.
Moving to location. On the double. Wait, driver.
Yes, sir. Coordinates received, Commandant.
Henge, we have a heading.
Move orders. What is it?
Bolster the front line. 100 points remain.
Engage! Get the hell out of here!
Order. Fuck you, man.
Get moving.
Do what we can.
That's what the mares are for.
Panzer on standby. Panzer ready. We have a heading. Let's march. It will be done. Where's the fight? Done. Storm drive or die. We have.
Don't save me! Forward element! We're engaged! Consider it done!
Radio silence.
Looks bumpy up ahead.
My crew needs orders.
Get us into the action!
More murders. Come on, boys.
Driver, ahead full.
Secure that ground! Now!
Commandant, you need us.
Commandant?
Orders. We're moving.
Problem is, I'm not going to have enough for a loiter on the next attack.
Driver, throttle up.
We have 75 points remaining.
Raise the flag!
Get this panzer rolling. We're not expecting trouble, right? Marder, we're moving to capture.
Yes, sir.
We're receiving.
Stuka fighters are ready to harass the area.
Taking location!
Wait, driver, throttle up. We don't have all day.
Marder tank destroyer standing by.
We can fix that.
Halting!
My crew is ready.
Not a problem! Taking location!
My crew needs orders.
Voll enemy is near!
Orders, panzer is moving.
Ain't working with ours. Yes.
Keep us wet! Hurry up! Hurry up!
Marder, you have orders? Panzer ready. Panzer rolling. We're not expecting trouble, right?
Okay.
Order Hinrich! Raise the flag! Please
Sturmgeschütz Panzer.
kill dich!
Reverse,
Shift
driver.
fire on enemy troopers!
We have a heading. Let's move.
Receiving Panzerjäger
Engine
relocating!
driver. Slow, slow. Go back! Back! Back us up!
You're starting repairs on deck.
Take cover! Retreat!
Let's go
GG. Ah, maybe I did need the tungsten, boys. I couldn't squeeze it into the build. I just couldn't get rid of these double AT guns. That was the ultimate problem in this game. He had a med truck on them for a while. They get on-field healing from him decapping points. I just couldn't get rid of them. Massive thorn on my side. Like my assault greens were maybe the answer, or my recon tractor was doing okay against them, wasn't decrewing or killing them. I was trying to use smoke, but it's a lot of. It feels like I'm doing a lot of micro, like disengaging this, smoking, moving things around, and all he just has to do is like move forwards and win, But yeah, maybe I needed the tungsten because I actually wasn't getting through the croc that well with my martyrs there. Just wish I could have recovered a little bit more. I came forwards, recovered a few things here, but it just takes so long. I kind of just went for the more cowardly options instead of staking my claim, going for like a Matilda or something. Just recovered a bunch of martyrs and did some salvaging and stuff. Certainly helped, but we weren't game winning. Came down to that big dive though, right? He had like 2 tanks on like 0 health. There's a couple times when I like maybe almost killed the croc over here, but my attack rounds missed as well. So I was definitely had a chance. With slightly better RNG, I probably could have won this, but them's the breaks.